Good morning, students. We'll continue with exercise 2 for 7th class students. The question is solve the following equations without transposing and check your result. Okay, the question I'll write here: x plus 5 is equals to 9. So he is asking that without transposing. Transpose means plus 5, if you take to this side it becomes minus 5, is called transpose. So we should not do transpose, means we should not take this plus 5 to this side. Then how we have to do is, this plus 5 has to be cancelled in LHS, means we have to add minus 5 to the LHS. So to balance, we can't add minus 5 only for LHS. We have to add minus 5 for both LHS and RHS. So for that what you have to do is, so add minus 5 on both sides. Add minus 5 on both sides. Add minus 5 on both sides. So just now I said that why you have to add minus 5 on both sides, because x plus 5 is there. This plus 5 has to be cancelled, means. So to cancel plus 5 we have to add minus 5 on both sides. Okay. Now what happens when you are adding a minus 5? So x plus 5 minus 5. So I added minus 5 to LHS. Then 9 minus 5. Okay. Now x plus 5 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5, what happens? It will be cancelled. What is remained here? X is remained in LHS. From 9 if you subtract 5, how much you will get it? 4 you will get it. X is equals to 4. So I solving of this equation without transposing the terms. So plus quantity is going to RHS, it becomes minus quantity. Minus quantity, if it is going to RHS, it becomes plus quantity. It is called transposing. We have some rules for transposing already given here. So if you see textbook, thus in transforming terms from LHS to RHS, plus quantity becomes minus quantity becomes plus quantity, into quantity becomes divided by quantity becomes into quantity. So these are transforming. But what we are doing? We are solving the equations without transforming. So now we will do another one here. Next question is y minus 12 is equals to minus 5. So y minus 12 is equal to minus 5. You have to solve this one. So to solve, what I said to you, in LHS, other than variable is called all alphabets, A to Z numbers are said to be called variables. Y is variable. So y variable you have to keep it here only. Minus 12 is there. Minus 12 has to be cancelled. To cancel this minus 12, what we have to do is add plus 12 on both sides. You have to add plus 12 on both sides. So y minus 12 plus 12 minus 5 plus 12. Okay, minus 12 plus 12 will be cancelled. So in LHS you have y only. Here negative number, positive number. So whenever you are seeing different symbols, you have to perform subtraction only. Plus symbol is having greater number, minus symbol is having smaller number. So in answer you will get plus only. If two different symbols are there, you have to do subtraction. From 12 we have to subtract 5. From 12 if you subtract 5, you are getting 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. So we should not write plus 7. So we have to write y is equals to 7. Plus 7 is nothing but 7 only. So before number, if any symbol is not there, you have to treat that as plus. Okay. Now we will go for another problem, that is 3x, third problem. 3x plus 4 is equals to 19. 3x plus 4 is equals to 19 is there. So what you have to do, you have to find the value of x. So some differences are there in the problems. So observe keenly. First 3 should not go. First plus 4 has to go. So to remove this plus 4, we should not transpose plus 4 to this side. Plus 4 has to be removed, means you have to add minus 4 on both sides. So add minus 4 on both sides. What happens when you add minus 4 on both sides? So I'll add here is equal to left side you have 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4 is in LHS. Minus 4 I wrote here. Already 19 is there. Minus 4 I wrote. What I done? Minus 4 I wrote on either sides of this one. Now plus 4 minus 4 will be cancelled. You have 3x is equals to, from 19 if you subtract 4 you are getting 15. Now see here, 3x means what? 3 into x. 3x means 3 into x. So this is 3 into. So 3 into has to be cancelled means 3 it should be removed means with 3 you have to divide. Then only 3 cancels. Isn't it? So this 3 it has to be removed means you have to divide both sides. Divide both sides with 3. Divide both sides with 3. Then what happens? 3x by 3 is equals to 15 by 3. 3 get cancelled. X is equals to 15 by 3 means 15 will go in 3 table. 3 also will go in 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So x is equal to how much it is remained? X is equal to 5 is remained. So it is the answer for this one. Now we'll go for next problem. This problem is so this problem if you observe keenly, he given 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. Once see here, 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2 is given for us. Then what you have to do is you have to solve for x. You have to solve for x. So it is problem number in exercise 2, first fifth one. How to solve, we'll see it. Now variables to one side, constants to one side. So 3x is a term which involves variable. 5x is also a term which involves a variable. Without transposing, he said, means we can't take this 3x to this side, 5x we should not do. Then how to remove this, we'll see it. So here plus 8 has to be cancelled. 3x plus 8 is there. Plus 8 it has to be cancelled means you have to add minus 8 on both sides. See, plus 8 already it is there. Add minus 8 on both sides. Then what happens? Plus 8 minus 8 will be cancelled. You have here 3x and here 5x. Plus 2 minus 8. Plus 2 minus 8 means how much here? Minus 6. Now what you have to do is okay, 3x also should be cancelled. 3x also should be cancelled means both sides add minus 3x. Add minus 3x on both sides. Then what happens? 3x is there in LHS. Minus 3x you done here. 5x minus 6 is there in RHS. Minus 3x you wrote. 3x minus 3x means 0. From 5x, if you subtract 3x, 5x minus 3x, these two are like terms. 5x minus 6 we can't do. It is 5x and it is 6. They are called unlike terms. 5x and 3x minus 3x are called like terms. So these two we can add or subtract. 5x minus 3x means you are getting 2x. Minus 6 is there. Here minus 6 has to go means add 6 on both sides. Add 6 on both sides. So if you add 6 on both sides, you are getting 6 is equals to 2x minus 6 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 cancelled. And you have 6 is equals to 2x. So 6 is equals to 2x is nothing but 2x is equal to 6. X is equals to 2, 2 is equal to x. Both are same only. So 6 is equal to 2x and 2x is equal to 6 is same. Now 2 has to be cancelled. So 2 what it is doing for x? 2 is multiplying to x. 2 it has to go means divide both sides with 2. Divide both sides with 2. Then what happens if you divide with 2? In LHS you have 2x by 2. In RHS 6 by 2. 2 gets cancelled and you have x is remained. Next here is 6 by 2. 6 and 2 both it has to be cancelled in 2 table. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So you are getting x is equals to 3. You done the problem without transposing. So this problem is important for you, and you have to practice number of times. Means 3 times, 4 times, 5 times like that. Now we will go for second problem. So what is second problem here? Solve the following equations by transposing the terms. Here he is asking to solve by transposing. Transposing is very easy. How to transpose, we will see it here. That is 2 plus y is equals to 7. 2 plus y is equals to 7. So now solve means you have to find the value of variable. You have to find the value of y. Means solve means in place of y what value you have to substitute to make the given statement as true. Means for 2 how much you have to add to get 7. For 2 how much you have to add means for 2 you have to add 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So you have to get the value of y as 5. But how you have to get it? Means in LHS to cancel plus 2 you have to add minus 2 on both sides, or otherwise bring 2 to this side. So plus quantity if it is going to right hand side it becomes minus quantity. Already we know it. Y is equals to 7. Y already is there here. Plus no need of writing. This plus 2 only you are taking to this side. It becomes minus 2. Now you transposed plus 2 to RHS. You transposed plus 2 which is there in LHS to RHS. It becomes minus 2. From 7 if you subtract 2 you are getting 5. In LHS you have y. So y is equals to 5. You done the problem by transposing the terms. And check your result he given. So in first problem also check your result is given. Check your result is very simple. Question is you have to write question 2 plus y is equal to 7 like this only. Now 2 plus y means what you have? 5. Y value whatever you got you have to substitute in this one. RHS is 7. 2 plus y is what? 7 is equal to 7. So LHS you got 7. RHS you got 7. So if LHS is equals to RHS you checked it. So checking is completed or it is verified. You have to write it is verified. Now we will do another problem, that is 2a minus 3. 2a minus 3 is equals to 5. Now first you should not take 2a to RHS. 2a should be here only. Keep is equal to symbol. Keep 5 also same as it is. Now minus quantity you are taking to RHS. So it becomes plus quantity. 5 plus 3 if you add you are getting 8. So 2a means 2 into a is equals to 8. So multiplying quantity. 2 is what it is doing? 2 is multiplying to a. 2 is multiplying to a. So divide, or okay, divide means multiplying quantity you are taking to RHS means it will divide. So 8 by 2. This 2 only. If it is going to this side it will divide. So 8 and 2 will go in 2 table. 2 ones are 2 fours are. What you got? A is equals to, you got 4. Okay. Now we will do another problem in this. Another problem is 10 minus q is equals to 6. 10 minus q is equals to 6. Here variable is having minus symbol or not? To cancel this minus symbol, first what you can do is multiply both sides with minus 1. So LHS and RHS you are multiplying with minus 1. What happens? Minus 1 into 10 minus q is equals to minus 1 into 6. If you multiply to LHS, you have to multiply with RHS also. Now minus 1 into 10. This becomes minus 1 into 10. Then plus minus 1 into minus q is equals to minus 1 into 6. So minus 1 into 10 is minus 10. Minus into minus plus 1 into q, that is q, minus 1 into 6 minus 6. So q should be here only. Minus quantity you are taking to RHS. Then already it becomes plus quantity. Minus 10, if it is going to this side, becomes plus 10. So what I said to you, if you are seeing different symbols, 6 is having minus, 10 is having plus. Both are like terms. So you can add or subtract. So 6 plus 10, 16 should not write. It is minus 6, it is plus 10. If different symbols are there, you have to do subtraction. So which symbol will come for you means the symbol which has greatest value. Plus is having greatest value than compared to minus. So in answer plus will come. Do subtraction, 10 minus 6, that is 4. We should not write plus 4, so you have to write q is equals to 4. To understand, I wrote plus here, but you should not write. Okay. Then like this, one more problem we will do it here. 5x minus 3 is equals to 3x minus 5. Okay. Here you can transpose the terms, yes or no? Like this problem we done in first one, exercise to first problem. In that we done, but that is without transposing. It is with transposing. So what I am doing is 5x I kept here only. Plus 3x I am bringing to LHS. It becomes minus 3x. Already you have minus 5 here. Minus 3 I am transposing to here, plus 3. From 5x, if you subtract 3x, you are getting 2x. Minus 5 plus 3. 5 is having minus, 3 is having plus. Different symbols are there, you have to do subtraction only. Which symbol is having greater value? Minus is having 5, plus is having 3. So minus is having greater value. From 5 subtract 3, you are getting 2. So 2x is equals to minus 2 means 2, what it is doing? It is multiplying to x. If multiplying quantity, if it is going to RHS, it will divide. 2 ones. So x is equals to, you got minus 1. So here what you done? You solved, that's it. But what you should do, it has to be verified. Check your result given for us or not. How to check? See it here. So write question as it is. What is the question? 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5 is question. LHS write it 5x minus 3. So in place of x, what you got here? In place of x, what you got here? Minus 1. Here also in place of x, minus 1 write it. 5x means 5 into x. X means minus 1. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. So LHS you got as minus 8. Now RHS. What is RHS? 3x minus 5. 3. X means what you got? What you have to write? Minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Again minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. So RHS also minus 8. LHS also minus 8. What you done? You verified. So you checked the result. So result also true. So for x is equal to minus 1, LHS is equals to RHS. So like this you have to solve these problems. Okay. So still if you want one more problem, I'll do it here. That is 5. Sixth problem. 5 into x plus 4 is equals to 35 is given. So it is a into b plus c. So this is called distributive property. A into b plus c is nothing but a into b plus a into c. This is called distributive property. You have properties in previous classes: closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property, inverse property. So many properties are there that you have to learn. In that it is one property, a into b plus c. So what you have to write is a into b plus a into c. Same if you apply here, in place of a you have 5, in place of b you have x, In place of c you have 4. So I have to write 5 into x plus 5 into 4 is equals to 35. 5 into x is nothing but 5x. 5 4s are 20 is equals to 35. 5x here only, 35 here only, plus 20 plus quantity I am taking to RHS. Plus quantity if I take to RHS, it becomes a minus quantity. From 35 if you subtract 20 you are getting 15. 5x is equals to 15, x is equals to 15 by 5, 5 1s are 5 3s are, x is equals to 3. So you got the value of x. 5 why it has to be divided means 5 is multiplying here. If you take to this side it will divide. 5 into x is equals to 15, x is equal to 15 by 5, 5 1s are 5 3s are, x is equal to 3. Again checking is there. Okay, checking means what you have to do? Same. 5 into x plus 4 is equals to 35 is there. In place of x, what value you got it, you have to substitute. In place of x, the value which you got, you have to substitute. LHS. Take only LHS. What is LHS? 5 into x plus 4. 5 into x means how much we got here? X is equal to, we got it as 3. So what you should do? In place of x, 3 write down. 5. Bottommost rule. Inside the brackets you have to simplify. 3 plus 4 7. Brackets means into 5 into 7. 5 table you have to read up to 7s. 5 7s are 35. So 35 is nothing but what? RHS. So LHS you got 35. RHS is also 35. So LHS is equals to RHS. Hence checked. So it is about exercise 2. In next class we will see about exercise 3. The problems which are remained you have to do it as homework, where whenever you have doubt you have to call me. Thank you.